Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to replace an ice maker arm, or rudder as it sometimes is called. And it's a pretty simple process. This is for the 500 and 600 series bottom freezers, most of them anyway. So the first thing we need to do here is pull out the tray. Now I already know that this arm came off because it was laying in the freezer when we picked this refrigerator up. So we'll take out the freezer drawer and get inside and see up there the ice maker arm is missing a rudder. If you had it this way and without the rudder, it would just continue to make ice. So unfortunately this is not broken, so it's just that whoever put it on never put tie wraps in there, cable ties, to keep it from popping off, which it does from time to time. Now I don't know if you can see this, so I'm gonna take a break and go get a light. Okay, we are back here with a light, and there's these little locking tabs in here underneath here, so you slide this onto the arm and you push until you hear the little click, and that means it's locked in place. But as an extra caution, we're going to put these little cable ties in here to lock it on so it doesn't come off. Okay, one there. That's it. Just have to cut these ends off, and that's how you put a ice maker rudder or arm back on, or if it's broken, replace. Okay, so we'll put the lower basket drawer back in place by lining up the wheels on top of the wheels that are already on the tracks, like so. Bring it up on an angle, push it in, check it to make sure it's got its stops. Put your ice tray back in. That's it.